Hello beautiful people, today we are at task number 8 under Windows Fundamentals Part 3. Today we'll read about BitLocker. What is BitLocker? Per Microsoft, BitLocker Drive Encryption is a data protection feature that integrates with the OS and addresses the threats of data theft or exposure from lost, stolen or inappropriate decommissioned computers. On devices with THM installed, BitLocker offers the best protection. Trusted Platform Module. Per Microsoft, BitLocker provides the most protection when used with a TPM, Trusted Platform Module, version 1.2 or later. The Trusted Platform Module is a hardware component installed in many newer computers by the computer manufacturer. It works with BitLocker to help protect user data and to ensure that the computer has not been tampered with while the system was online. Refer to the official documentation to learn more about BitLocker here. Again, we have the Microsoft documentation for BitLocker. If you want to learn more, just jump there. Note, the BitLocker feature is not included in the attached virtual machine. Answer the questions below. What must a user on computers? What must a user insert on computers that do not have a Trusted Platform Module version 1.2 or later? Must use, this is it, USB startup key for sure. This is it for sure. Yeah, so the question is, what must a user insert on computers that do not have a Trusted Platform Module version 1.2 or later? Copy pasted the same question inside the Microsoft documentation, and here we can see support for devices without Trusted Platform Module. Determine whether computers that don't have a TPM 1.2 or higher versions in the environment will be supported. If you decide to support devices without Trusted Platform Module, a user must use a USB startup key or a password to boot the system. The startup key requires extra support processes similar to multi-factor authentication. Cool.